Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Thomas Whitfield's Soon As I Get Home, also known as I Shall Wear a Crown. This song was written in the key of E flat. Has a nice little intro in the key of F sharp. For the intro, you're going to be playing this E flat minor in octaves. Then you're going to play a B major to an F sharp over B flat. A quick passing chord over to E flat minor, flat minor 7. A flat minor, the 11 it's going to be in your right hand, so it's A flat minor 7. Okay, then B flat minor 7. To E flat. Again, for the intro. Then for the intro of the song, the first verse, I shall wear a crown. I shall wear a crown. When it's all over. When it's all over. Let's play it again, break it down. I'm gonna play this little it's like a pentatonic of E flat. Then you're gonna play an A minor 7 flat 5 for the first chord. It's a passing chord. I shall wear a crown to an A flat major 9. To a B flat 7 over A flat. You can also throw in this nice A flat 9 13 sharp 11, which is like playing a B flat chord over A flat, but adding it's like the 2 or the 9 of B flat and the flat 7 of A flat. Okay? Then I shall wear to a G minor 7. Then you're going to do these little passing chords down to C. You can really think of this like an E flat 7 sharp 5 to a B flat over D, to a C7 or a C9 sus4. Okay? Now you can do 2 passing chords as we go to F. I've heard it played an A flat diminished. Okay, so we went through an A flat diminished 7 to a G diminished 7 to an F minor 9. You could play this E flat blues in any way you'd like. Okay, then we're going to do a 2-5-1 of D flat towards D flat. So it's going to be to an E flat 7 sharp 5. It's a very unique A flat minor 9 with a 13. to a D flat 9, sharp 11. Let's try it again a little faster so you can see it in context. I shall wear a crown. I shall wear a crown. When it's all over. Nice F minor 9. When it's all over. Do it again. I shall see his face. I shall see his face. Nice passing chord on D. I'll just go back over that again. When it's all over. When it's all over. Okay, so some different chords there. Let's do it again. His face. Okay. Next section. Gonna put on my robe, tell the story how I made it over. Want to put on my robe, tell the story how I made it over. Story how I made it over. Soon as I get home. Okay, so I kind of ran through towards the end of the song, so let me go back to the previous section. So I'll put on my robe. So after your how I made it over, you can walk up from F minor 7 flat 5 to a G diminished to A flat minor to a B flat over E flat, or I'm sorry, E flat over B flat, to a D flat 9. Tell the story how I made it to an F minor 9. I'm going to put on my robe, tell the story how I made it over. Want to put on my robe, tell. So you're gonna go to the C 7 flat, sharp 5. Tell the story how I made it over. Story how I made it over. And then you can walk up from F sharp, A flat minor, F sharp over B flat. So then we go to the chords from the intro. Soon as I get home. Hey guys, thank you so much. That was I Shall Wear a Crown by Thomas Whitfield. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be back with some more tutorials very soon. Take care.